Hello everybody, we're off today to do another Wetherspoons. We're going to, today, Cannock. I'm at Lichfield in a minute, at the bus station. Now, why am I going to Cannock? It's only a small town, Cannock, if you don't know, it's not far from us. Only £2 on the old bus. But it takes about an hour, man. It takes about an hour to get there. I don't know how, but that's what it must go everywhere. It's got some really bad reviews. I mean, bad reviews. So I thought, well, I'm going to go. So I've got, as soon as I start speaking, look, let me move out of the way. Yeah, they got some really bad reviews. Which I'm going to read to you, a few of them, when I'm on the bus. Because I'm on the bus an hour. So I'll read them then. And what I'm thinking of doing is going in a bit incognito, you know what I mean? Not having my tripod, just holding my phone and having it by me, beside of me. Just to see how the reaction is. Whether just certain people had a bad time, or they like it all the time. Because a lot of it's to do with the staff. So it might be worth doing it a bit incognito, so I probably won't have my mic on. Just be the phone mic and just see what's what. So yeah, so when we get on the bus in about 10 minutes, I'll give you a read of, I'll read out some good old comments, and then I'll let you judge for yourself. Right, we're in Cannock. I couldn't read this thing on these reviews on the bus. It was a proper bone shaker with phones all over the place. So anyway, let me read you a few. Rude, unhelpful, waiting staff, literally unresponsive. I'll leave it all up on the screen so you can have a read yourself of what they actually people say. Awful, aggressive staff. Appalling attitude by the manager, unhygienic, and staff and the manager for barring people. So someone's been barred. Will not return. All the other people I was with will not return either. Lunch popped in today. I was new to the area, sorry, but worst pub food I have ever had in my 53 years. Don't do it. Unwelcoming, staff have no manners, typical Wetherspoons, typical food, it's pretty standard, however service is terrible and you're made to feel a huge inconvenience. There's loads more, but that's just a few I've picked out. So I thought, well, I'm going to go in with just my phone and not my tripod and just see what their attitude's like when I first go up to the counter. You know what I mean? And we'll just see what it's like. So, because I usually find if you go with a camera, usually get a lot better attitude. So I want to give it a proper go. You know, it might be really nice. It just might be people that have, you know, that have just had bad experiences. But there's quite a few of them on there. So, let's go in there then. I'm going to walk up there. I'll just walk in using my phones, holding my phone. Took my mic out, so the sound might be a bit different. And yeah, and that's what we'll do. Here it is. The Lichfield Arms. So let's go and have a look. So the phone might be wobble a bit. Breakfast, that's what I'm having today. Table 36.
Yeah. I went to that massage place now, like massage. Oh, sort of. I was a bit nervous about it. But, very professional. Couldn't see if there's anything else. Yeah, including your alcohol.
Hello mate, can I have table 36 please?
Yeah.
Can I have a breakfast mate please?
Traditional large.
I'll have a large one.
Any extra black coffee with that?
Oh yes, talk me into that. Oh yes, it is the best part. And a cappuccino mate as well please. Oh, you've got to have a black pudding, yeah? God yes.
Single on the weekend instead of a
Oh mate.
Morning, Grandad.
It's good.
Nice one mate, thank you.
Yeah.
What's the screen? Cappuccino.
When you get too far, I do.
You get refilled on this one, mate, yeah?
Yeah. Brand new out the box.
Right, let's put you down somewhere. I've got the sun now, haven't I? Food's arrived. My sausages, my beans, my bacon, my egg, butter, hash browns, and 1, 2, 4 bits of toast. Doesn't look too bad actually. Doesn't look too bad. Right, let's put you down here somewhere now. So we can see. A bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And a bit of HP, which I can't open. Oh, got it today, got it. Yeah. Right, let's have a look. Let's start off with the sausage. sorry guys, couldn't film much in there. That was absolutely disgusting. It made me feel sick. I've had to leave it. It was horrible. Everything was stone cold. The black pudding, I would never tasted black pudding like it before in my life. Even the toast was rock hard. It looked like everything had been cooked at like 7 o'clock this morning, and I've just piled it on the plate because by the time I got my coffee, which is thin, and then I went to my table, then I just went up and got some sauce and come back. It was there. It was absolutely. I was eating it and it just churned my belly, so I couldn't do anything. So the food there is absolutely disgusting. The bloke at the bar, he was okay. You know, as he is, he was normal. When she come over with the food, she just threw it on the table and walked off. But really, with the food, no. People say the place is a mess. It is old. It needs a good refurb. It's all old chairs and all that stuff, so it does need a good refurb. But when you're serving stuff like that, maybe he doesn't want to because maybe they're not getting the customers. I don't know. But no, if you live in Cannock and you go there, I don't know what the rest of the food's like, but I wouldn't even try it at all. It's made me feel sick. It really has. It's churned my belly. Oh, it was just horrible. Everything was horrible and cold. Literally, it's like it hadn't even been on a warm plate. The sausage was just above cold. Then I'd be standing on the side for an hour, you know what I mean? Oh, so I've travelled an hour for 5 minutes of food, leave it, and an hour back. I made myself feel sick at the same time. So what am I reviewing that? I don't even think I should give it anything, to be honest with you. I think I should get a 0. But no, I've got to give it something. I'll give it a 1 for me turning up. That's what I'll give it. For me turning up, I'll give it a 1. But apart from that, don't even bother going. Yeah, so I couldn't really call it out when I was eating because it was just, I was just like that. Well, there you go. That's Cannock. That's the worst. That's even worse than ours, and that's saying something. So, bus will be here in 5 minutes. So, an hour back now. Till the next time. I'll see you later. Bye bye. Hope I don't throw up on the bus on the way back.